everybody! Welcome back to my channel. This time we're going to try this product. It's made from the USA, Mccain crispy waffle fries. I don't know if you're familiar with this product, but maybe this is popular in the US. Well, it's extra crispy with cooking time. Actually, it's ready to cook. So we're going to cook it using an air fryer, and let's see if it's crispy. And I think it's very easy to prepare. Well then, I already put it inside the air fryer, and then let's wait, and I'm going to try it and taste it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other air fryer recipes here. Please like this video and also please check out my playlist.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Yes, it's ready. Yes, this is our finished product. It smells so good. Wow. It's Mccain crispy waffle fries. Looks like this. Come on. Ayan. Ang bango-bango niya. Smells so good, easy to cook, and let's taste it. Ang sarap. Ang sarap naman ito. Very delicious, crispy. And it's a little spicy. This one is a little spicy. Okay. See? I love it. So again, please check out my other air fryer recipes here in my channel and my other adventures. Okay? See you again to my next vlog. Bye-bye.